Gizmo, you wanna go home? Do you wanna go home?
You wanna go home? Go home? Are you begging to go home? You really wanna go home, huh?
Gizmo! Gizmo!
Giz.
So you are seriously hooked on me. Think I'm gonna take you home? Huh? You wanna go for a ride?
She says, I'm so cute.
You wanna go for a ride?
Hey, you asked Jake that. What happened?
She won't even let you grab her.
You wanna go for a ride? You wanna go home? Please take me home. You're funny.
She is something else.
What's the matter?
You wanna go home?
You miss Brown Dog? You wanna see Brown Dog?
That's my playmate.
You wanna see Brown Dog?
She's cocking her head so weird now.
Brown Dog? Home? Brett? Are you begging? Come here. Fine, don't come here.
So, won't you pick me up? Won't you take me home?
It's okay. Go home.